Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make money using Lemon8 in 2025. So Lemon8 is a lifestyle content app that is owned by ByteDance. It is growing fast and it focuses on the aesthetic posts, product reviews, tips and mini blogs. So as you grow your audience over here, brands may reach out for sponsored posts. So you can focus on the niches like beauty, fashion, food, or wellness. These perform well on Lemon8. Now you can include affiliate links in your post captions or bio. So you can promote products and earn a commission every time someone clicks and buys. You can use same content that you create on Lemon8 for Instagram, Pinterest, and blogs, and this actually multiplies your reach and potential earnings. In some regions, Lemon8 is also testing the creators reward program, so you can check the app's settings and update section to see if monetization is actually available in your country or not. Here is a quick tip: you can focus on the high quality visuals, useful captions and consistent posting, and you can treat your profile like a mini lifestyle magazine. So this is how you can start creating money with the help of Lemon8. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.